Did you know that rice is a cornerstone of diets worldwide, feeding billions daily? This versatile grain is a staple in countless households, providing essential nutrients and energy. From simple steamed rice to elaborate dishes, it forms the backbone of many meals. From Asia to the Americas, this humble grain plays a crucial role in culinary traditions across the globe. In Japan, rice is revered in sushi and onigiri. In Italy, it transforms into creamy risotto. In Mexico, it becomes a vibrant component of burritos and enchiladas. Each culture has its unique way of celebrating rice. In Thailand, rice is not just a food. It's deeply intertwined with our culture and history. The sight of lush green rice paddies is a common and cherished one. Rice farming has been a way of life for generations, shaping our landscapes and traditions. Festivals and rituals often revolve around the rice harvest, highlighting its significance. We believe that perfectly cooked rice is the foundation of a delicious Thai meal. The texture, aroma, and flavor of rice can elevate a dish to new heights. Whether it's paired with spicy curries, fresh vegetables, or succulent meats, rice is the heart of our cuisine. It's a symbol of prosperity and hospitality, always present in our celebrations and daily life. Cooking rice may seem simple, but achieving that perfect texture, grains that are separate, fluffy, and fully cooked through, requires attention to detail. Each grain should stand on its own, never mushy or clumpy. Mastering the art of cooking rice is a skill that will elevate your Thai cooking to new heights. One common mistake is using too much water, resulting in soggy rice. Another error is not rinsing the rice properly, which can lead to a sticky or mushy texture. Additionally, using the wrong type of rice for a particular dish can greatly affect the outcome. Understanding these common pitfalls will set you on the path to rice cooking success. Jasmine and sticky rice Thai favorites. These two types of rice are staples in Thai cuisine, each bringing its unique texture and flavor to the table. In Thai cuisine, we primarily use two types of rice: fragrant jasmine rice and glutinous sticky rice. Jasmine rice, with its long grains and subtle floral scent, is a versatile ingredient that complements a wide range of dishes. Jasmine rice, known for its delicate floral aroma, is our everyday rice, served with countless dishes. It pairs perfectly with stir-fries, curries, and grilled meats, absorbing the flavors beautifully. Sticky rice, also known as glutinous rice, is enjoyed in desserts and savory dishes, often eaten with our hands. This rice is sticky and chewy, making it ideal for dishes like mango sticky rice, a popular Thai dessert, or as a side to grilled meats and spicy salads. Its unique texture makes it a favorite for many traditional Thai recipes. The importance of rinsing rice. Rinsing rice before cooking is crucial for removing excess starch, which can cause stickiness. Gently swish the rice grains in a bowl of cold water, then drain the cloudy water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. This simple step ensures fluffy, separated grains. Mastering the water-to-rice ratio for jasmine rice. The key to perfectly cooked jasmine rice lies in the water-to-rice ratio. The general rule is 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of jasmine rice. However, this can vary slightly depending on the type of rice and your desired texture. Step-by-step guide to cooking perfect jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is a fragrant, long-grain variety that is a staple in many Asian cuisines, particularly Thai. Its delicate aroma and slightly sticky texture make it a favorite for many dishes. Today we'll walk you through the process of cooking perfect jasmine rice every time. 1. Rinse the rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. This step is crucial as it removes excess starch, which can make the rice gummy. Place the rice in a large bowl and fill it with cold water. Swirl the rice around with your hand, then drain the water. Repeat this process several times until the water is no longer cloudy. 2. Combine the rinsed rice and water in a pot with a tight-fitting lid. The general ratio is 1.5 cups of water for every cup of rice. This ratio can vary slightly depending on the age and dryness of the rice, but it's a good starting point. Make sure the pot you use has a lid that fits snugly to prevent steam from escaping. 3. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, you'll notice steam escaping from the pot. This is the point where the rice begins to absorb the water and start cooking. Keep an eye on it to ensure it doesn't boil over. 4. Once boiling, reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover the pot tightly and simmer for 15 minutes. Lowering the heat ensures that the rice cooks evenly and absorbs all the water without burning. It's important to keep the lid on during this time to trap the steam inside. 5. Do not lift the lid during the cooking process. Lifting the lid releases steam, which is essential for cooking the rice properly. Trust the process and resist the urge to peek. 6. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the rice steam in the pot for 10 minutes. This final steaming step allows the rice to finish cooking and absorb any remaining moisture. The result is perfectly fluffy and fragrant jasmine rice, ready to be served with your favorite dishes.